Amazon. I know we do not like Jeff Bezos. So for accessories, I have a lot of accessories that I got off of Amazon. We'll do sunglasses first. I got these two sunglasses. It came in a set of two. This is the tortoise shell, and then this is the black. I really like ordering sunglasses off of Amazon because they always come with accessories. So this one came with, it just came with a carrying case, which, you know, useful. These sunglasses bloggers have been wearing them like all the time. And I wasn't going to pay for expensive ones. I think this was, the set was $17 for two. Very classy chick, you know. Love it. And then I have a lot of sunglasses. These were another pair that I got. I don't know what these are called, but I've been looking for them for the longest time. And whenever I saw them, I'm not paying $20 for a pair of sunglasses. I forget how much these were, or not 20, but like $50. I wanted to be able to get them quickly because I thought I was going to wear them at Afro Nation, okay? But Afro Nation didn't happen, so I have them now. But they're these chunky kind of rectangular square glasses, and I got them in this very cute pink. I'm like, chica, chica, chica. Love them. These are also from Amazon. What other accessories do we have here? Just to show you kind of more accessories. These earrings. Now these I've seen around. I really thought they're very classy interpretation of a hooped earring. I wanted them a little bigger, but I couldn't find them bigger with this where it hooks at the top like this. But I've seen them like earrings kind of like this thicker hoop on Zara's website, on like smaller jewelry websites. But they're not heavy. They're really, really light. I love the size. I forget how many millimeters they are. I think there's either 50 or 60. No, I think these may be 50 millimeters. 50 millimeter hoops. And I just really enjoy them. I think they're very cute. They're going to be my go-to hoop. What's the little pouch that it came in was nice. Yeah, I think most of the jewelry I got were earrings. So I'll do this box next. I can get it open. Come in this box. Like, this is just very cute. If you've ever ordered jewelry off of Amazon, you'll know that it's just cute. Like, some of the jewelry comes, most of the time, it's gonna come like this. It's gonna come like this, the Ziploc. But sometimes it comes in like a box. It comes with, this is like I ordered it off of one of those little Insta boutiques. It came with a baggie that says Sunnies. And then the hoops. So these are very similar to, I don't know why I thought these were bigger when I got them. But They're very similar to the last earrings I got. They're thick. The only difference is they have, can you see it? Can you see it? Is it focusing? Sorry, that's just my ode to old YouTubers. I don't know why it won't focus. It's focusing. Okay. If you can kind of see, it has this little design on them. I think these are also really, really nice. Very lightweight. Hopefully they keep up. Hopefully they don't turn green. But the reason why I got them is because it came, I can't remember if it came in a set of 2, silver gold, but they were cheap. And I was like, this is perfect. Put on the silver ones for you so you can see what I'm talking about. This is a very no fuss hoop. I feel a lot of hoops are huge, and there's a time and place for big hoops, and they look really good on a lot of people. They don't work for me. I don't have a long neck. Big hoops do not work for me. They usually end up hurting, so I thought this was a great alternative to bigger hoops, where they're thick. They're thick hoops. I just really enjoy them. I'm gonna wear them for the rest of the video. The 2 other hoops that I got were this pearl pair. I don't know why it won't focus. This pearl pair, and I got this rhinestone pair. I'd also been looking forever to try to find a pair of rhinestone hoops that were not huge, humongous, and I finally saw them on Etsy. The places that I'd seen, not Etsy, sorry, I saw them initially on Etsy for like $20. Hey, don't, like, jewelry, I'm not paying $20 for some hoops. I think these, on the other hand, were, well, no, that's not true. I'm not paying $20 for hoops that are going to take forever to get to me. But I got these from Amazon. They were cheap. They're the perfect size. Can't wait to wear them. Don't know where I'm going to wear them for the pandemic. And then the last pieces of jewelry I got were, oh no, the packaging is cute. This butterfly necklace. It's like a layered butterfly necklace. I love how dainty it is. So it has the butterfly pendant, and then it has the choker with little butterflies, and I think this is going to be very nice with a dress. This is just, I just like this type of jewelry you wear with a dainty, like, frilly dress. Yes, so I got that, and then I got 2 anklets, which, you know, if you're Nigerian, I'm Nigerian, your parents say Ashawos wear anklets. I am not a Ashawo. I'm not. You know what? I'm an adult. I pay my own rent. I pay my own bills. I can wear what I want. I'm wearing me an anklet. I don't think they mean anything, in my opinion. It is just jewelry. The same way earrings are jewelry. The same way necklaces are jewelry. It's just jewelry. I don't think it represents anything. If it was a signifier for that back in the day, it was a signifier for that back in the day. We're not back in the day. We're in 2020. But I got these 2, oh my gosh, the packaging. It's like double packaged. These 2 anklets. I'm going to show them both once I can get the packages open. I hope they fit because I have really small wrists and I have really small ankles. This was $4. Pretty Little Thing will sell this to you for like $15. Really cute, really nice anklet. I'm not gonna style it. I'm not gonna show it, but I really like it. So I got that one. I think it was $4 or $5, and then I got another one. Oh. And this is the gold one. Finally! So they're, oh, these, oh, I did not know that. Oh my gosh. Okay. They are all separate. That is so funky. That one, this one is interconnected. is all one that's connected. The silver one is all one that's connected, but the gold, they're separate. They're like separate, but I guess you can wear them together. I think this is gonna be perfect with some like you could do it with the sneakers. You can honestly do it with anything. Very much with sandals. I'm doing a little bit of social distancing things this weekend, so I will definitely be wearing one of these anklets out. I think those are all the items I have. So thank you so much for tuning in and bearing with me. This is, again, I'm new to YouTube, so I don't know how people do these. But I hope you enjoyed yourself. But anyway, thank you so much for tuning in, lovers and friends. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.